In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 500 internal server error in Google Chrome. So to go and fix this, we first just need to launch up the Google Chrome web browser, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, and then scroll all the way down and click on Settings. In the left navigation, scroll down and click on About Chrome, and at the very top here, ensure your Google Chrome web browser is fully up to date. So you can see here, mine is already up to date. Now once you've done that, scroll up to the top and click on Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data, click on the Advanced tab, change the time frame from last hour to all time, and you need to go and check all of these boxes apart from passwords and autofill form data. Everything else you want to keep checked like this, and then go and press delete data. Once you've done that, come back over to settings, and on the left hand side click reset settings, click on restore settings to their original defaults, and click on reset settings. Once you've done that, the last thing we can do is head back over to a Google Chrome web browser, click on the three vertical dots, click on extensions, and click on manage extensions. Now if you have any extensions inside of here that you're no longer using, you just want to click on the remove button next to them to go and delete these from your Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, head over to the start menu on your computer, search for control panel, and then click on the control panel window. In the top right hand side, change view by to large icons, and then click on network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings, and then just locate your Wi-Fi from this list. Mine's this one here, so I'm gonna right click on this and click on properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Change obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses, and then just type in 8888 and 8844, and then press OK. Close out of this window, and you'll now need to restart your computer. And once your computer's restarted, that should have fixed the 500 error message. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.